If you catch it, you keep it. If you catch it, you keep it. If you catch it, you keep it. If you catch it, you keep it.
Bruh.
If you catch it, you keep it. Ah.
You put your Hot Wheels in there right now. You got shit. Come on, give me a hug.
Easy one. Easy one.
Thank you.
Here, I'll open it up for you. I got you. Good catch, man.
Appreciate it.
Big box.
I'm surprised they just sat there like.
They didn't want it. Fast and Furious 180
Dude,
SX, man.
I've been after this one.
Heck yeah, brother.
Yes! Dude, I'm stoked. Let's
Enjoy,
go,
man.
dude.
Enjoy.
Thank you so much.
Dude, you alright? You alright?
Yeah, I'm good.
Hey, you died for that, man. That was so... Alright. Hey, if you catch it, you keep it. You ready? Hey, good, yeah, let's open it up. What do you think it is?
I don't know, man.
You don't know?
No.
No idea?
I don't have idea. Holy moly.
RLC
Thank you
Camaro.
so much. I appreciate it, my man.
No problem, man. Happy holidays, brother.
Same to you, my man. Thank you.
Have a good day.
Thank you. Hey, boss.
If you catch it, you keep it. You ready? Good try, good try. Catch it, you keep it. Heck yeah, man. Let's open it up, let's open it up. Two Zamax cars, man. McLaren and 57 Jeep FC. Heck yeah, dude. If you catch it, you keep it. Ah, yeah, you can try it. You want to try it?
I like it.
All right, you ready? AK's Treasure Hunt and R32 Fast and Furious Skyline. Heck yeah, dude. Enjoy, man. Have a good show.
Hey, come.
Ah!
What?
Ah! If you catch it, you keep it. Heck yeah, man.
Yeah.
See what's inside?
Yeah. Fire. Skylines.
Godzilla Boulevard R32, brother. Heck yeah, man. Enjoy. If you catch it, you keep it. Hey, good try, man. Good try. Appreciate it, guys. If you catch it, you keep it. All right? Ah! I'll throw it to you, all right?
Both of us?
Yeah, go ahead. Whoever. You ready? You got that. You got that.
I watched his
I
video.
told you I was gonna catch it.
I know. That's why I left you alone.
Honda EF and Cybertruck.
Oh,
Yes.
nice.
Heck
Thank
yeah,
you.
guys.
Appreciate you.
Yeah, no problem, man.
All right.
Enjoy, guys.
Cool.
Really? Yeah. Ah!
Oh, shit.
Ah! Hey, if you catch it, you keep it. Boulevard Honda EK9. Heck yeah, man.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
Appreciate you, brother. Have a good one, man. Happy holidays, guys. If you catch this, you keep it.
What's that? Oh, thanks a lot.
You think it's empty?
What is it?
I don't know. Let's open it up.
Oh, it's a Ford Falcon or SVT Lightning.
Yeah, F-150 Lightning,
Lightning.
Fast and Furious, man.
What happened? Got returned to you?
No, it's yours, man. You keep it. You're not gonna
Alright,
return
thanks.
it. Yeah, no problem.
Hey.
If you catch it, you keep it. Ready?
What is in there?
It's a mystery, man. It's a mystery. If you catch it, you keep it. Heck yeah, man. I'll open it up for you. Yeah. Boulevard 4Runner, man.
Nice, brother.
Heck yeah, brother.
Thank you, man.
Have a good one, man.
Appreciate it. Thank you, guys.
If you catch it, you keep it. Heck yeah, man. 240 SX Slide Street, man. Yeah, man.
Nice to meet you.
You too, brother. Have a good one. If you catch it, you keep it. Heck yeah, man. Dotson and treasure hunt.
Thank you.
Have a good day, brother.
You too.
You too. That's a wrap, guys. If you guys like this video, please comment down below what you would like to see me give away. Also, how you would like to see me give it away. I had a lot of fun making this video. I hope you guys have a happy holidays. And like always, please don't forget to like and subscribe.